This video is on how to set up one of the content menus like I've got here to pull through all the categories that I've got set in the administration section. It's a fairly easy and straightforward thing to do. So the first thing we need to do, go into content and have a look at how this has been set up. So we go down to all products, and you can see in here it says page type is widget, and then it's got this particular widget here. So if we have a look at the widget list, which is from up on our toolbar, we can see here it says to show all the categories from the mega menu in the content builder, you just need to copy this particular widget to put it up into here. And once you've done that, that's basically it. When you hover over all, it will show you every category. So even if you add new categories in or subcategories in, they'll automatically update inside here.